Amy, but you can call me GeekyMcFangirl. Welcome to my channel and thanks so much for joining me for a Disney-inspired craft. Today's craft is inspired by The Little Mermaid, and I'm going to show you how to make Ursula's Flotsam and Jetsam shoes.
I want to give a huge thanks to everyone who makes the GeekyMcFangirl channels possible with a pledge of $1 or more a month on Patreon. If you're enjoying the show, click the Patreon link below the video to support me. You can also support the channel for free by subscribing, liking, and sharing. You can find links for all the materials you will need for this project in the description below the video, both on YouTube and at CraftyMcFangirl.com. I decided to make these shoes for Disneybounding as Ursula at Disneyland. I thought it would be cute to have Flotsam and Jetsam peeking out at the bottom of a black maxi skirt. You can use any shoes you have. You could paint a pair of white tennis shoes or canvas shoes. I got these at a thrift store for a couple of dollars. I liked the mesh design on the sides, but not the buckles, so I took the straps off with scissors. Before starting to paint, I looked up a picture of Flotsam and Jetsam so I could use it for a color reference and for drawing the faces. I mixed together some aqua paint, some olive green, and a little bit of blue until I got a color I was happy with. Then I painted both shoes entirely, using 2 coats of paint for full coverage. Then I let the shoes dry completely before continuing. Once the paint was completely dry, I used a black permanent marker to draw the faces of Flotsam and Jetsam on the shoes. I drew the mouth and teeth along the sides of each shoe, with the eyes and nose on top. With both of the faces drawn, I added a little bit of black paint to the base color and painted the top fin in this dark aqua color. Then I filled in Flotsam and Jetsam's eyes with white and a light butter yellow paint, as well as their teeth. When the paint is dried completely, it's time to go back in with the black permanent marker and outline the details. Once the design is to your liking, the final step is to protect it with Mod Podge. I've chosen to use Mod Podge Hard Coat. Knowing how much walking I'll be doing at the parks, I decided on 2 coats of Mod Podge to seal my shoes. Wait 24 hours for the Mod Podge to dry before wearing your new Flotsam and Jetsam shoes.
Thanks so much for crafting with me today. I hope you have fun if you make these shoes. And if you liked this project and you want to see what's coming next, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you'd like to watch me live stream my craft projects, you can find me on Twitch. And if you want to support this channel, you can also find me on Patreon. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys next time.